Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sonic Racing CrossWorlds error code 122D9. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play online races. In most cases, the error appears before the map starts loading or shortly after the race begins, causing players to get kicked back to the menu. According to our research, this error may happen due to network issues or temporary server problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your game and then try playing again. If the error still comes, then restart your modem. Simply turn it off, then wait for a few minutes and turn it back on. After the internet is back, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still continues, then try switching your network. You can try any other Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot connection and see if that helps. At last, if nothing helps, then the issue might be coming from the server side. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.